Welcome to our art channel. Today we will talk about the painting called White Cottages at St. Mary's by the famous painter Vicent Van Gogh, created within the year 1888 to 1889. This small, lesser-known painting is a key touchstone in Van Gogh's collective works up until 1888, when it was painted. It's the first painting where the artist uses his famous extreme contrasts and bold colors that would soon become hallmarks of his work. This artwork shows him moving away from dark-toned realistic realism and impressionism he knew from Paris toward expressionism, a movement to which he would contribute greatly in establishing. In the painting we present today, Van Gogh for the first time emphasizes and exploits to the full the extreme contrasts of blue and orange, red and green, and white and black. This small painting is of particular importance in the work of the artist and the collection of the Kunsthaus Zurich. For these huts in St. Mary's, with their vibrant blues and oranges, signaled the start of a new phase in Vicent Van Gogh's oeuvre. Van Gogh broke with realistic, dark-toned painting while he was still in Paris, under the influence of Impressionism. In February 1888, he moved from the capital to Arles, aiming to study colors and light in the south of France. But the actual breakthrough to the luminous, intense coloration that makes him the forefather of European Expressionism was triggered by a stay in St. Mary's de la Mer from May 30th to June 3rd. After his return, he translated 2 drawings of simple dwellings into paintings, one of which is in the Kunsthaus Zurich. Here for the first time he emphasizes and exploits to the full the extreme contrasts of blue and orange, red and green, white and black. Have a great and calm Saturday, everyone. I hope you have learned something else today. A hug and long live art.